Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the phone is unlocked and has enough battery to avoid interruptions. This avoids accidental calls mid-change. Open Settings and type Emergency SOS in the search field so you go straight to the right screen. This saves time versus hunting through menus. Once the results appear, tap Safety and Emergency or the Emergency SOS entry. This gets you to the toggles that control automatic calls and message features. Make sure you've backed up important contacts if you plan to change notification behavior. You will now switch off the automatic behaviors. First, toggle auto call to off so the phone no longer dials emergency services after button presses. Next, disable send SOS messages so your contacts won't receive location updates and photos. This prevents accidental broadcasts. If there's an option for call duration or press count, set it to the most conservative or disable it entirely. Once done, check the list of emergency contacts and remove or edit entries if you do not want them notified in future. You should always test after changes, trigger the SOS in a safe way, or use demo/test mode if your model offers it, and confirm no calls or messages are sent. If the feature still triggers, reboot the device and reopen settings to verify the toggles remained off. Sometimes a reboot finalizes configuration changes. Make sure your system software is current because firmware bugs can affect SOS behavior. If disabling still fails, contact Samsung support or visit a service center so they can inspect device-specific settings or software faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.